Hello and welcome to the British English with Charles test of sexist comments. Here we will look at 11 common sexist phrases. Using clips and clues, you are invited to test your knowledge by completing the missing word or words. Each answer is shown after each comment. And the first one, the clue here is with the dog, which becomes a woman. The woman becomes quite aggressive with a young man for no reason. This causes the guy with the grey sweater to say, "She's such a..." One of the boxers seems not to be taking the fight very seriously. This causes the guy with a hat to say, "He fights like a..." The young man with the blue shirt is a little shy. His friend pushes him towards the girl. What does he say? "You need to..." The man seems to do all the work in this household, while the young lady relaxes. One of the neighbours comments, "She wears..." in their home. These boys find this young lady very attractive. What comment does the guy with the glasses make? "She's really..." The security staff at the airport seem a little rude to this young lady. You could say their language is over familiar. What does the guard say to her? "Lift up your..." These boys seem to be intimidating this young lady. But after this happened and the girl contacted the police, they refused to do anything. They said, "Boys..." This woman brings in the cakes for the office staff, helps colleagues with their problems, and the managers call her the office... This man comments on the woman's face. She starts crying. But what did he say? The man in the dentist's chair is crying from the pain. But his girlfriend is not impressed. She says to him, "You need to..." Which taboo word has an alternative meaning which is connected with a domestic cat? I hope that test was useful for you. How did you do? Please let me know in the comment section. See you again soon. Bye.